Hey folks, and welcome back to Orash YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how you can remove stray hairs or stranded hairs inside Adobe Photoshop. So if we look at this image and zoom into the outside hair, you can see we have a lot of stranded and stray hairs all over the place. So it's time to remove this quickly without wasting any time. So let's get started. Okay, the first step here is to duplicate the layer. By pressing Ctrl J on your keyboard, you can duplicate the background layer. Now it's time to apply a filter. Go to Filter menu, go to Noise and choose Dust and Scratches. Inside Dust and Scratches, you need to increase the radius until you can no longer see those stranded hairs. For the threshold, leave it at 0. Hit OK. Create a layer mask by going to the layers panel and clicking this add a layer mask icon, but hold down the Alt key when you left click on layer mask. That will add a negative layer mask, which means everything on this layer will be hidden unless you paint over it with the white brush. So select the brush tool with the B key, increase the size or decrease it with the brackets on your keyboard. Make sure your foreground color is white, and if it is not, you can always press D for default colors and switch between foreground and background colors with the X key. See, same thing can be done from these two icons. This icon is for setting the default color and this icon is for switching between the foreground and background colors. So we just need to paint over these stranded hairs now. So zoom in with your Ctrl, Space and left mouse button and start painting. If you want, you can right click with the brush tool and change the hardness or softness, but I will recommend keeping the hardness at least 15. So start painting. Oops, where you make a mistake, just hit the Ctrl Z or press X to switch to the black color and paint over your mistake. Keep doing this. Switch between foreground and background colors. Remember, on a layer mask, black color always hides and white color always show. So where you don't want the hair, just paint with the white, and where it gets blurry, just paint with the black or increase the hardness a little bit and then keep doing the good work like this, and you know the drill. So I will just speed up the process by increasing the hardness and painting over the stranded hairs, just like this. A little bit blur. Okay, so that's it for removing the hair. I will press Ctrl 0 to zoom out to fit, and if I temporarily hide the top layer by clicking this eye icon next to the top layer, that will show me the layer below. So this was the before and here's the after. So hope you liked today's Adobe Photoshop tutorial. If you did, make sure you subscribe to Orash.